Okay, welcome guys. Today I just want to share a quick video. I had to make this frame right here, and the thing that I had problem with was, the size of it, and I didn't have a band clamp, so I had to make one. And here's the band clamp. I'm gonna show you how it, well, first let me show you how it works. Now, to get it on, first put the first one on, then I get a clamp on there, and this is so that it don't move while I'm trying to get the rest of these on. Then, as you can see, not moving, I go to the other side and I get another one on the corner. Then, moving on to the other side, and then over on the other side. First, I should say I put the band around like this, and then I tie a knot, and then I took it off. Take it off, tie the knot, and then for the last one, the way to put it on is you kind of put it at an angle like that, and just push down, and it gets seated down there. Now that was not enough to seal the joints, so what I had to do was I cut some pieces 45-degree angles, like a triangle plus. So I put these in, and then I just pull them to the corners, and that gets the joints all closed up. And that's how it works. Now I'll explain to you how I made it. So first I cut these blocks up using a sled that I have from my table saw. So I use this sled right here, and I just push it by, and I cut it on the table saw like that, and just pass it by the blade. And these are 1.5 inches, but you can make it whatever size you want. Then I find the center and put a reference mark, took it to the drill press, and I drill this at an angle so it comes out on the other side. After that, I take this little piece of cord. It's about a 3/16 cord, and I thread it through, and I just put them all on. And there you have them. Depending on the size of your frame, you put this around it, adjust them, and then just tie a knot wherever is the tightest on your frame, or the closest you can tie a knot. And then you put it on your frame, and just like I showed you in the beginning, and it works pretty good. Just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was cool, and you guys might want to see it. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you in the next one.